Welcome to another video and episode on my ESP32 right here. Internet of Things device and connected right now to quite a lot of other devices. LED buzzer, 7-segment display, which are also LEDs, servo motor driven by pulses modulation, and a fischertechnik motor also driven by pulses modulation, LCD and an LDR, liquid crystal display and light dependent resistor. Keypad is since last time off the wire, off the hook to say. Why? If you watched last time's video, you know I tried a lot of times to get it to work, no go. So what else? Well, effectively I have now room and space for this event microphone. Will it work? Who knows? These three probes are for the oscilloscope, to measure the pulse modulation, to see if these motors finally do want to work. And this one is connected to this resistor, which leads to this LED. The event microphone is not for voice, it's just for, like, let's say this. That's an event. Can I get it to work? Who knows? But first let's see the software and how things could work. So what is the first step to do? Well, basically removing the wiring that is needed to or for the keypad. So out go most of these resistors, which were meant for testing. This one stays, and I have to be careful. It stays because that's pulse modulation, and without that I can't verify the working of the motors. Okay, they're gone. Now the LDR becomes visible again. Does it work? It should be. And hopefully will be soon enough. The circuit is still there. So with this gone, I will test the whole software. So selecting everything, that's selected, everything looks like selected. Let's go. Upload. There we go. Of course I can select the servo monitor. Fatal error. Oh, come on. Okay, what's wrong? If anything, get board info, unknown board. But the rest is really good. Try again. Connection is there and it works. so nothing wrong. Here you see it working, the display. This is working, and actually bare eye is a better view than this signal. LCD, it would be nice if I have the LCD again. Motors don't do a thing. So I need to enable the scroll text again, and then fire up the or reconnect the event microphone and see if that works out. What I can see now is that this one works. However, the motors don't do a thing. They don't do anything at all. So probably time to actually test the motor on the fischertechnik power controller. So, alright, things to do. First thing, the motor. You can see it works due to this power controller. The motor works, and if I turn the power controller up, this works. Bring it down, it stops, and you can see on the oscilloscope whatever is going on. Let me, by the way, change the setting. No, that's the wrong one. Yeah, no. Yeah, that's good, but I need this one. It's pulse modulation, that's good. Channel 3, right. This is proper signal. I might be able to change setting, but yeah, it's alright. So yeah, okay, so that works. The motor is alright. Then I enabled the LCD text. I have to upload. Fatal error again. And I haven't done anything wrong, so alright. So much for a test. Again, this is not nice. Why does it go wrong anyway? And now it works. And yes, when I pull this back, you should be able to see whatever is happening on there. It says servo start. And then keypad start, buzzer start. So that one works. That's good. Next thing is hooking up these things. Why doesn't the buzzer do anything, by the way? Oh, perhaps because I shut it off. Could be. Don't remember. Anyway, time to hook this up somewhere here. Okay, now I have put a wire between the GPIO and the LED, which burns. But is it correct that it actually does burn? So if I look at, no, not that one, then I say, okay, keypad goes out. What comes in? Let's add LED. Yeah, there's no LED yet. At least there is one. This one. Alright. Let's copy it. And then rotate. No. I want to rotate this one. Another rotation. Come on. Alright. However, there is a resistor in between. So I have to copy a resistor. That one I have to rotate, which is better than this one, also good, which goes to ground. So anywhere there's any ground I should take, but I'll leave it for that. Okay. So is this correct? Oh wait, here's ground. So one wire to ground, and that's it. Saved. So this is new wire. But why does it burn? Because I didn't do anything and it's set to input. So for everything I ignore keypad. I say this is output, and then this is setup. And here for the loop I will say digital write 13 high. At least I think it's done that way. Although it may be in capital. Yeah, that's better. And then delay for let's say 500. Now let's see what happens, because have I chosen the right LED or the right interface? Let's go. Break statement. Where? Okay, so I have to comment it out. Go. Oh yeah, right. Or is it? see, this is my out microphone input. Totally forgot about it. But it still says where is the in 387. $378 it says. Expected declaration. I forgot, most likely, a semicolon. No, I did not. This is most probably because, yes it is. So let's see if this works out. And you see all kind of garbage on the LCD. But this one doesn't give in, it doesn't give out anyway. So although the code is okay, it doesn't show what it should do. So I will do this and say low, and then it should blink for a short while. Although I better say, since it always burns now, low and high. Go again. And after that, it's time to wrap up. Does it blink? It does not blink. Not that I can see. Nope, it doesn't do a thing, so probably it's chosen the wrong port. Next time I'll see better. And that's it for now. Unwiring the keypad, wiring this LED and probably taking the wrong port. This works, but not from here. It does work with this power controller, which is from Fischertechnik, as is the motor. So something to improve there. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a small donation or any donation via PayPal or Wired, and you can also choose to become a patron. Please do visit my website. URL is under this video, and more information is also in the next short segment. Thanks for watching. To be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.